Sorry, what was the question? मैं पहले आर्मी काउंसिल जनरल ऑफ पाकिस्तान इन न्यूयॉर्क। मेरा नाम राजा अली एजाज है। पाकिस्तान में मैं जब होता हूँ तो इस्लामाबाद में दफ्तर खारजा के पास। बहुत अच्छा है, पाकिस्तानी है, they come together and they sing for Pakistan, they talk for Pakistan, they read for Pakistan. It's always good to relive Pakistan.
How about the stalls? Stalls,
Well, they're very nice. Unfortunately, I didn't get to see them because I believe they were in the last part. But last time I did see them, they were excellent. That would be all? Okay, thank you so much. My pleasure.